Let's check out the latest edition of District Wins. Take a look at what our third grade art students are doing at Calusa Elementary School. They're learning the technique of pointillism and how every dot has its purpose. Just like each and every one of us, we all have a purpose every day. Hey, we're so excited to congratulate Maria Rose, a teacher at Edison Park Elementary School, who's been selected as one of the 25 Roots in Education grant recipients and will receive a $1,000 grant. Every year, the Roots in Education program awards 25 $1,000 grants to teachers across Florida who are caring and take time to tend to their students' needs. You've made us so very proud, Maria. It's time to recognize Sebastian Castillo of Estero High School, who just received the U.S. Army Junior ROTC Scholarship for $152,000, which coincides with Norwich University's one-year scholarship. Collectively, he has a 4-year fully paid education that includes monthly tax-free stipends and book allowances. Big-time congratulations, Sebastian, and the best of luck in your future endeavors. Over at South Fort Myers High School, kudos to the class of 2023 who did a fantastic job with their senior prank. We realize that these kids endured 2 years of COVID along with Hurricane Ian, so it was great to see them have a little fun for their last day at the school. Let's have a nice round of applause for Elsie Cribbs of Bonita Springs Middle Center for the Arts. She recently earned first place at the State History Day competition in the individual performance category. Elsie will now move on to the national competition. It was all smiles this night at the recent Chamber of Cape Coral Awards dinner for Trafalgar Middle School. Here's well-deserved congratulations to Miss Natasha Pratt, selected as Teacher of the Year, and Cullen Zesby, selected as Student of the Year. A marvelous job from both of you. Finally, high fives to the Edison Ford Winter Estates Team Assembly Required, who just competed in the West Florida region First Lego League World Championship Festival in Houston, Texas. This team received the Core Value World Championship Award. Way to go, Green Wave. If you'd like to see your school featured in District Wins, send us your photos and information to news@leeschools.net.